Hi, my name is Jesse Grimsley with Sprigger's Choice Incorporated. I'd like to introduce you to the No Till Sprigger machine that we have been building since 1990. We have some new features on this, but I'd like to go through the machine with you to sort of show you how to operate it. First part of the machine is the no-till colders that are placed in front to cut the existing residue that is in front of the subsoil foot to keep it from hanging up and pushing out a big hole. Then we also have the gauge wheels that are used to hold the machine out of the ground during the operation. If you go down here, you see the subsoil apparatus foot that opens the soil behind the no-till colders, and then you see the sprigs that are being dropped into the ground behind it into the furrow. And then we have the covering discs that cover the sprigs up. These covering discs are unique to this machine because they can be moved in or out. The disc can also, by removing the bolt, can turn the disc around and use the back side of the disc to push the dirt in more softly and not have much of a cutout as you would with the way it is. There is no hindrance here for the sprigs to hang up in, so we have very little stoppage during operation. Here we come back under this hood. Here is a new device that we have put on this machine that we've been using on our broadcast machine for quite a number of years. It's an electric clutch. It's a 12-volt electric clutch, and we use it so we can cut the floor conveyor on and off, which is driven by this packing tire, which also now is the carrying tire when you're hauling it on the road. We plan to in the future put a roller here to help pack down the back. Here you see our what we call self-feeding rollback system that allows you to carry a high capacity of sprigs. Here you see the rollback. This is our rollback system. If you notice, you turn it in the direction that it turns. It comes down over the top, it goes back up on the bottom, sweep the sprigs back into the back of the bin, and it only allows a certain amount of sprigs to go forward. You can adjust the system to floor depth by adjusting this turnbuckle here that will change the floor depth height. Up here you have a sweeper that's used to sweep the sprigs on the back so that they don't fly up over the top and out of the machine. Just take a quick shot at that. On the Sprigger's Choice no-till machine, the floor mechanism is driven by the ground drive from the wheels, which also transfers to a set of sprockets and chains that drives the floor, which gives you a consistent movement while the machine is in operation. At Sprigger's Choice, we have also included a set of sprockets in order to allow you to change the rate of material that's being put out in operation. The high-speed control, I'll cut it out.
Going.
Okay. The high-speed separator unit is controlled with this flow control valve right here that is also connected in line with a flow control valve here. Okay,
On.
This flow control valve here controls the rollback system and the speed of it. You only want this system to run just fast enough to move the sprigs back, not so fast that the bars bend in the speed that it's running. This high capacity bend that we use on our sprigging machines at Sprigger's Choice allows you to plant allows you to plant more in a day, because filling this bin up and using 40 bushels of pasture grasses to the acre, you can plant roughly 4 acres at a time on this full